tell you the use case. So I will create one case over here. So we will create a case over here, and what we will do, as soon as case gets in closed status, so there should be one email sent out to the contact of that case, okay, or a contact email of that case. So that's what our use case would be, and I will show you the same. So let's see how it goes. So guys, as I mentioned about our use case, so let's just first quickly create a case over here. And what I'm going to do, I'll choose a contact name. As you know, I recently created one contact with this. Okay, type could be anything, doesn't matter. Case reason would be also anything, doesn't matter. The status new, case origin, let's say you say web. And what else? Let's say subject is I am facing some issue. Let's put the same into description. Well, it doesn't matter, to be very honest, but yes, let's just look like a valid case. So what we were gonna do, once I click on this close button and the status is changed to close, then there should be email sent out. So now the major part we will do inside our marketing cloud. So what I do, I open my journey builder dashboard, and how to open that, if you just wanted to wonder. So you can hover over again our blue button, go to journey builder tag, click on this, that's it. So now I'll create a new journey and create a new journey from scratch. So since we need to take a data from our CRM site, so I'll choose this entry source event. It may possible you may not see this by default at your site, then please you can raise a support case and somebody will enable for you from Salesforce site. So let me just choose it first of all here. Then I define, definitely it's a Salesforce data is the one, and it asked me to choose an object. Definitely we're going to choose case as an object. So I can quickly write case and enter case. Okay, so this is the object which we have selected, and what exactly you want to, like the person to whom you wanted to enter. So definitely a contact, because that to whom we want to send out an email. Then it says, okay, enter criteria, like when you want to take this action. So definitely if let's say somebody, okay, is created, well, doesn't make much sense, but when is updated, because whenever somebody updated the case to, I would say, close, maybe, okay, let's just assume maybe somebody create a case with close status itself. So let's just choose both, which is very unlikely, the first use case, but maybe some internal purpose or something like that. And I'll define one filter. Let's say contact email should not be no. Okay, so it's not now. So then only this things should proceed, or that case should proceed through my journey. Further filter criteria, definitely you can append as many as filter criteria as you want. If let's say you have a lot of things to consider, right now I'm just ignoring each of those. The major thing which definitely you would like to see, I have enough data, I believe, but let's say if you need more data to enter, or you want to take few decisions, you want to do a number of things, so you can choose more data. But right now I believe with this data, I think I should be fine. I need not. Okay, let me just put one more from the cases, like contact email. So here we go. So I'll just put contact email as well, because that's where I will try to send out an email. So I'll choose this, and here it shows the summary of it, and I say done. So now this part is done. Now I'm going to just send out an email. Instead of 1 day, I can just do this, say 1 minute. I don't want them to wait for a 1 day. Okay, so I'll say 1 minute. Done, and definitely I need to define an email. So as of now, I only have a single email. You can design emails with whatever, like we have. Marketing Cloud is very rich in terms of allowing contents. You can use several things out there. So yeah, let's see. So These message configuration. Ensure that you have at least one verified sentence. Oh yes, I know. Maybe saved send classifications, delivery options. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it is saying I need to select this send classification. So no verified, but it is verified. Okay, let me just do it. Let me just fix it real quick. Give me one moment. Okay, guys, so I have fixed that particular message configuration thing. So that was just like there was no verified option. It could find out, however, it was there, of course. So right now we are using default, and that's it. So I'll just say done. So I believe this is initial part which is done. Let me give some sensible name to it. Case closed email. Okay, and I will need to choose some journey settings that whether the same contact can enter or can only enter when exit. So I believe the entry anytime should be the valid thing. Then it says, okay, use email address from entry source. Yes, I do. So I'm gonna use case contact email. Okay, and case contact email as to be choose, and for mobile number, if there is any, then let's select from here. Now I believe that's it. I'll click on save, and I will click on validate once. Okay, you can see that it just said prepare to take off. So great, I believe we are all set, so I'm activating it. So I haven't set any goals or anything yet. That can be done, but my just purpose is to show you how it works in a journey from Salesforce CRM to Marketing Cloud. Okay, so here I believe everything is all set. Let it just activate it once, and then what I'm going to do, okay, great, return to journey. So it is in an active mode. Now I go back to my CRM. That's where it is. And what I'm assuming here, once I change this status to close, it should. Oh, okay, my bad. I think I haven't defined that criteria anywhere. So, okay, I'm so sorry. I just defined case criteria should not be blank. And just to tell you, I will not be able to edit this until unless I'll spin off a new version, but I'm just checking it one more time if that's the case or something else needs to be done. One moment. So as I told you, I will not be able to edit this. What I'm going to do, I'll just click on cancel and spin off a new version. Okay, sometimes it happens. My bad. Okay, so it's spinning off a new version for me. I'll go over there. I'll go enter criteria. I hope it should allow me to modify it. Let's see. Come on. It should have been. That's what my assumption was. Somehow it's not. Not an issue. Let me just quickly. Let me just quickly create a new journey. It won't take much. Give me a one moment. I can just quickly create a new journey. And I'll stop this one later on. So I'll say create journey from scratch. I'll do everything what we have done. Okay, so Salesforce data. Case. Yep. Created, updated. Let's say case status. So where is the status? Okay. So your status equals to closed. Okay. Okay, so I'll choose only this criteria this time. Filter now, I'm not entry data. Yeah, let's just give me this thing. Contact email. That's it. It's done. I'll put email out here. So let it be one day. It won't create any difference. So come on. Select message. I only have one. I'll say the summary. I'll say done. I'll go to journey settings. I will say entry anytime. Choose from attribute case contact email. Choose from my mobile. Done. Name is case closed email. Yeah. And I'll say save. And I'll just go over here once a dashboard. And I will first of all, I'll stop this one. Otherwise it may cause confusion. So I'll say stop all business. And I go back to here. Come on, it didn't update yet. Should have been. Come on. Yep, it has been stopped then. Yep. Okay, so here we are. And I already saved this. So all I need to do is to validate once, and then I'll activate it. Okay, so activate. Okay, so now my assumption is if I change this status to closed, it should send out an email to my contact. Let's see. So I'll say closed. That's it. Save. Here we go. It moved to save. Now I'll go back to my journey. Come back to dashboard. Running right now 0 entries. So I'm expecting it to populate it sooner. I'm refreshing it once. So I just refreshed, and as you can see that it is showing that one person has entered into the journey. So I can even show you the email has also sent out, though I have defined. So here we go. You can even check the time frame. So it is showing 12:10, and if you can see my computer screen, it is 12:11. So like just a minute ago. So that's how you can leverage a Marketing Cloud journey to send out to use information from your Salesforce CRM to include your contacts, to leads or account owners into this journey that take a number of decisions, because this is one of the powerful tool we have within Marketing Cloud. So believe this sums up the demo. Definitely you may have more of queries or questions, or maybe you're stuck somewhere. So definitely you can reach out to us either via posting comments over YouTube, or yeah, or maybe you can post over public forum. I'm quite active over there as well. I'll try to answer you. So let's move to our PPT and let's see. So as you know, this this part has been done, and now definitely this journey part I've shown you that what the journey is. So the last part is tracking. So you can also see this tracking data inside Marketing Cloud and in Salesforce CRM as well. So let me just show you that as well. So under email sense, we have shown you that under email sense, this is how the data should populate. So let me take you back here. Let me click on this plus sign. There has to be one object, email sense. Here we go. So this was the email what we sent out today. You noticed, right? So I'm just assuming. Here we go. You can see that. So this is how the tracking info appears. You can use this info for your, I would say, for to determine how what the customer has done with it. So it is showing delivered, right, and the unengaged unengaged right now. So these are the few things which you can get in a tracking info, and this is going to be really helpful and apart from here, you can also see this data, this tracking data under so I have sent this information to contact, right? So if I would open my contact and under usual email result. Okay, it may take an hour because I have defined a polling time to 1 hour, but definitely after some time, the data can also be seen over here. So that's how it works. The reporting and tracking. I know definitely there can be a lot which can be discussed around this, but I wanted to keep this demo small, short, crisp, so you don't get bored and you can take as much advantage as you can. There are a few more considerations which I have put into this PPT, which will be helpful for you if you want to read it about more. So these are the few bullet points which I have put over here, and definitely this PPT I'm going to share with this session, so you will get this. You can just read it around and you will get a lot of information that of what are the things which you need to take care. And definitely, as I told you that for any queries, these are the few things which you can do. And thank you very much one more time for attending this session. I really appreciate everybody, and see you maybe next time in Apex Hours. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.